Keep moving, Sherpa. Come on, you can do it. Don't be scared. We are Asian kids. We are not scared of it. Come on, you are almost there. Come on, you can't give up. Come on, keep eating. Hungry child. So she's eating the cake now before she can start her hike up to the Pinnacle summit. The wildest animal in this jungle, right?
It is funny.
Wow. Let's go. Just look at this, amazing. I think we are going to catch the sunrise. Let's go, Sherpa. Keep moving. Pinnacles, they're coming. Keep moving, Sherpa. We are almost there now. This is our way. Can you show me? Yes. And those are the Pinnacle summit. Let's go. Come on, you can do it. Don't be scared. It's okay. It's alright. We are Asian kids. We are not scared of it. Let's go. Come on, come on. It's cold? That's the way. That's the way. Come on, come on. What?
Cold.
Yeah, it's going to be cold. You cannot just come back. It's going to slip if you leave the...
Can I just stay here?
You can do it. Doing really good. What happened? Yeah. It's getting really windy now. It's okay. You can do it. Let's go, don't stand. You will feel more cold. People are catching up on us.
Don't rush me.
No, I'm not rushing. Just letting you know. Coming. Stop running aimlessly. We're not here. Come down. Here. Stop. No, you cannot stay here. It's too windy. Go, 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 go. Keep moving your body. Come on, you're almost there. Come on. You can't give up. Go, go, go. I'm with you. Go. You can do it. Come on, come on. Just go. Don't stop. If you stop, you will feel cold. Trust me. You can die of pneumonia in this wind. Just keep moving your body. Go, 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 go! No turning back. Come on. Come on.
We have to go down the stairs.
Yeah, we will go. There will be sun. The winds will stop. Come on, let's go. Trust me. So it's 6:22 now. I finally made it to the Pinnacle summit. We started around 2:40 in the night and finally here. Sun is still yet to rise. And as the sun was about to come, I thought the visibility is much better and she might not be scared anymore. So I took the chance and went back down. She was not very far, she was just 50 meters below. So I went back again, convinced her, and she finally came up. What an amazing experience it was. Oh wow. It was an amazing experience for me. Don't know about her. How was it?
Good.
Well, we did make there in time. And then we could see the sunrise as well.
Yes.
It was quite beautiful. But you certainly unlocked something, right?
Yes.
New skill.
Yeah, keep your head down while you walk at night. Don't look randomly, people.
Why? What will happen?
Don't know what you'll see.
Did you see anything?
Nope.
Then?
I keep my head down.
Why?
Because you scared me.
I didn't scare you. I just wanted you to make up.
You make me listen to those sounds.
So basically, that's a trick that I use sometimes when I know that I want to make some time. So we started at 2:40 in the night. I wanted to reach here by 5:40 or something because so that we can see the sunrise. So I told her while we were walking in the night that make sure if you hear any sound, just stop right there. There could be animals or things like that. But somehow she thought those sounds could be ghosts as well. So twice in the way I was like, wait, I could hear something, and she was like, oh no. And all the way she didn't even stop once. And I was so surprised. I was like, should I ask her why she's not stopping? But I thought, no, why to? It's a good thing. That's what I want. So she was just walking with her head down, torch in the front. Didn't even talk for how many? Like 2 hours. Continuously walking. And he make it.
About this at home.
And he making time.